How to delete WhatsApp contact number. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to delete WhatsApp contact number. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch WhatsApp application on your device. Log in to your account. You can select the particular contact from your WhatsApp chat section directly or tap the search icon at top right and choose any one of those. Open it. Tap on their username at top left to access their info section. Once you're on this section, select three dots at top right corner of the screen. Now tap View in Address Book. Now tap the three dots at top right corner of the screen and select the Delete button. Tap Delete again. And then this contact number will be deleted permanently from your WhatsApp contact number. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.